Most agents think they are hiring you to manage paperwork, but the ones who happily pay premium fees, they are not buying checklists, they are buying peace of mind. So let's break down what white glove TC service really means, why it looks different from every coordinator, and how you can package your services to stand out in a sea of $300 offers. Stick with me because by the end you will have a clear idea of how to design packages that reflect your strength while commanding premium rates. But I wanted to make sure that everyone knows that the TC world is unique. What one coordinator calls white glove, another might consider their everyday baseline. For example, I always talk to all the parties. I always send weekly report or give portal access to my agents. I always pull HOA documents and even help with open or expired permits or violations. But that doesn't mean you have to do the same. It doesn't even mean my way is the correct way. The beauty of running a TC business is that you decide what fits your strength, what you enjoy, and what you absolutely don't want to do. Another coordinator might see weekly updates as a premium add-on, while for me, it's included. And that's the point. White glove is defined by the context of your business model, your market, and your personal boundaries. So let me illustrate that with a story. A new coordinator I mentor once said, "But Cecilia, I don't offer HOA docs because I don't even know where to get them." So for her, white glove looked like extra hand-holding during inspections. She didn't copy my services. She leaned into her strength, and that's what made her stand out. So when agents hear white glove, they expect concierge treatment, but that can show up in different ways, depending on who's offering it. Some examples can be speed and access, faster response times, and consistent availability when deals get complicated. It could also mean expanded coordination, scheduling inspections, ordering HOA or city reports, chasing open permits, coordinating access with vendors. It could mean client-facing touches like branded weekly updates, milestone checklists, utility setup reminders, or status dashboards. Some TCs even offer attending inspections or closings. And for some, like me, that's not even a premium at all. It's definitely a non-negotiable. So I wanted to think of it like travel. Some travelers book budget-friendly flights, carry their own bags, and bring snacks. Others book first class, expecting lounge access, champagne, and a warm towel. Both get from point A to point B, but the experience is completely different. The same applies to TCs. You can either provide the basics or you can elevate the experience. So let me be clear. What feels white glove for one client might feel like bare minimum to another. That's why setting boundaries matter. For example, I never offer updating a client's CRM as part of my services. For me, that would be a premium add-on. But I know other TCs who include it in their standard packages. Some TCs charge onboarding fees depending on their tech setup. I personally don't. That make one of us wrong? Not at all. It proves that each TC business model is custom, and that's exactly what makes this industry so flexible and appealing. This is why I always remind my new TCs, don't copy someone else's list of services blindly. Think about what drains you versus what excites you. Think about what you can systematize easily and what will require extra effort. Then design your packages around that. Another example, I work with a TC who loved social media and offered transaction plus post-closing marketing as a service. She thrived doing it, but it would have burned me out if I had to do it. So white glove is kind of personal. It's not a template. Now, let me tell you something else. Most companies say they are proactive, but very few put their promises into writing. And this is where you could potentially stand out. Imagine telling an agent, we reply within 1 hour or 2 business hours, Monday to Friday. Weekend urgent issues, You hear from us within 4 hours. Every Friday, your whole file gets a status digest that you can forward to your clients. That's clarity. That's white glove, in my opinion. And it doesn't matter if your baseline looks different from mine. Agents will see your consistency as premium. Agents don't just want a TC. They want predictability. Now let's discuss packaging options to inspire you. These are just examples, so use them for inspiration, not a prescription. So for example, you could create a concierge tier, which could include potentially a standard contract to close package plus inspection coordination, HOA documents, and branded Friday updates, and guarantee response time. Now, a second tier could be a signature tier, which includes everything we discussed on the first tier, the concierge level, plus, let's say, gift coordination and review requests from the clients. Now, you can also have a third tier, could be an elite retainer, where you are going to reserve capacity, and you might want to add some type of after-hour coverage, for example, in a branded portal. Now, you might be worried or concerned about the price tag, but remember, some agents value peace of mind so much that they will happily pay your premium. Meanwhile, others only want the basic at $350 a file. Both types of agents exist, and your job is to design packages that speak to the client you want to work with. There is no right or wrong. So if this is giving you ideas for your own business model, hit like and subscribe. That way YouTube knows you want more of these strategies designed just for TCs. Now, before you expand your offer list, keep this in mind. Stay admin only. Never deep into legal or negotiations. Also, draw a line when it comes to marketing. A light, just close asset pack, perfect. But running someone's full Instagram account, that's a whole different business. And of course, premium isn't about saying yes to everything. It's about elevating the transaction experience without blurring your professional boundaries. And of course, how you phrase it matters. So don't say, well, I cost more because I do more. Say, I have designed a concierge experience that saves you hours, impress your clients, and protect your reputation, for example. Obviously, you will adjust based on what you offer in your premium services. Remember, agents don't care about comparing TCs. They care about how confident they feel knowing their deals are handled. So let's bust a few myths that hold coordinators back. White glove means doing everything. False. It means creating a polished, reliable experience. You need to lower prices to compete. False. Competing on price attracts agents who see you as a commodity. Agents won't pay premium fees. False. Plenty will, if you clearly show the value and position it as protection for their time and reputation. Now, let's talk a little bit about confidence and pricing. One of the biggest hurdles I see TCs face is saying their price aloud. You, my friend, need to believe in your value before an agent will. Think about it. You are not selling paperwork. You are selling stress relief. You are selling reputation insurance. You are selling efficiency. And that is worth premium rate. Practice saying your package prices until they roll off your tongue. The more confidently you deliver it, the more likely an agent will accept it without questions. And if you're just getting started, check out my free webinar or sign up for my TC course waitlist. The links are going to be included in the description below. So is white glove just about being fancy? No, it's about being intentional. And the coordinators who master this, on their own terms of course, become the indispensable partner agents are willing to invest in again and again. And if you're ready to stop reacting and start leading in your business, click this video right here.